What copper modifications are you making?
Having to move around the pipes.
There's no modifications. That's just putting it back in. Modification would be adding some copper or cutting a piece out or something. That's just sticking a compressor back in. That's what I thought you were going to do. That's not a modification, is it?
I don't know what they consider a modification or not. I just do the work.
I understand that. I gotta go figure out how to get my money back, because that's not a modification. That's installing a compressor. Agreed? Could you do anything less to install a compressor? Take the old pipe out and stick the new pipe back in the same hole?
Most of the time, having to move pipes around. Sometimes we have to actually add some on.
I understand, but that's not a sometime. That's just swapping out a compressor.